Hey guys, so the next step is going to be creating our first obstacle. We're going to have 4 of them in total, but we're going to work on the first one. So we're going to hover over, choose a sprite, click on the paint tool, and we're going to rename this rock. Now, you do not need to create a rock if you do not want to. You can pretty much make whatever you want for this, as long as it works for the theme of your game. That's all that really matters. So you guys can go ahead and take your time creating your own one. That's perfectly fine. Now, if for those of you who do want to create a rock, in this video, I'm going to go ahead and go over how to do that. So we're going to go ahead and start with the circle tool. We're going to make the fill a little bit of a darker gray, and the outline, you're going to go ahead and make this into a lighter gray. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and make a circle, and I'm going to go ahead and place this in the center. I'm going to use my select tool because I want to go ahead and make the outline a little bit bigger. Okay. Once I'm happy with this, all I'm doing is using the reshape tool, and I'm just playing around with the shape of this rock. Now, right now, you can see that my rock is very smooth, which is fine. It's not a problem. All I'm doing right now is just quickly shaping it. Now, I can leave it smooth, or I can go ahead and change these points into pointed. Now, I can do it for each one, or I can do it for some of them, or if I click on the corner of an empty space and make a huge box over my rock, I can select all of the points and click on pointed. And here you can see that now my rock looks a little bit more jagged, which is exactly how I want it to look. Now that I'm happy with the way this looks, I can leave it as it is, or I can add another rock, a smaller one. So I can go ahead and copy and paste this. I'm going to flip it vertically so it looks a little bit different. I'm going to shrink it to make it a little bit smaller, and I'm going to put it right next to my rock. Okay, and if I want to add a shadow to it, I can copy and paste this. I can remove my outline. I can make the fill completely black. I can then position it where I want it to be, and probably need to make it just a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to move it backward. And here you can see that I've made my rock with my shadow. So take your time creating your obstacle. Once you are done, we're going to go ahead and code it.